Seeking information about investing? Try these tips. Simple techniques can help you conquer any goal. Whether you want to learn about the stock market or how to invest your money properly, learning as much as you can about how other successful people do it will lead you to your own success. Read on for some tips from experts in the field, which can help you to better your strategies. The phrase "keep it simple" applies to many things, including investing in the stock market. You should keep investment activities, including trading, looking over data points, and making predictions, as simple as you can so that you don't take on any risks on businesses that you should not be taking without market security. Never rely on hearsay, as following the crowd is often a recipe for disaster. When everyone buys the same stocks, the value will decrease and less people are going to buy it in the future. Think independently and do your own research, instead of solely depending on what others say. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. When beginning in investing in the stock market, be sure to not invest too much. Many people make the mistake of putting all of their money into the stock market and end up losing it all. Set limits to the amount you are willing to gamble on, and no matter what, do not go over this limit. There is so much knowledge condensed into this video that you should feel confident that you can now invest your money wisely. As long as you implement the ideas you've read, you should find that your investments return a profit, which is up to par with your benchmarks over time. Good luck with your newfound success. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.